Have you ever wondered what life exists in a single drop of water? As we dive into the unseen world, we stumble upon a universe within a droplet, a world teeming with life that the naked eye can't perceive. This is the microscopic universe, a realm that is as bustling and diverse as our own. In this hidden cosmos, each droplet of water is a cradle of life, brimming with a myriad of organisms. From the simplest forms of life, like bacteria, to the more complex ones like amoebas, each has its own tale to tell. And let's not forget the algae, the green engine of this miniature ecosystem, silently converting sunlight into energy, just as trees do in our visible world. Here, in the heart of a droplet, life thrives in its tiniest yet most remarkable forms. Each organism, an essential cog in the wheel of this microcosmic wonder. So, in every tiny drop of water, there thrives a world of life, unseen and unimagined. Now imagine, who are these invisible residents that make a water droplet their home? In the unseen realm of a water droplet, a myriad of life forms thrives, each as fascinating as the next. Let's start with the single-celled organisms, the lone wolves of the microscopic world. Amoebas, for instance, are shapeshifters, constantly altering their form as they move and engulf their prey. Then there's the paramecium, a slipper-shaped creature that propels itself using tiny hair-like structures known as cilia. But it's not all solo acts. Enter the rotifers, multicellular organisms that are as complex as they are tiny. Despite their minute size, often less than a millimeter, they boast a brain and a complete digestive system. These tiny inhabitants interact with their environment in remarkable ways, from feeding on bacteria to helping recycle organic material. They're constantly in motion, creating a bustling metropolis within a single droplet. These minute beings might be small in size, but they play a colossal role in maintaining the balance of life on Earth. In this miniature world, how do these tiny creatures survive and thrive? Well, it's all about adaptation. These microorganisms have evolved specialized structures and functions to help them feed, reproduce, and protect themselves from predators. Let's take a closer look. Some of these organisms, like paramecium, use tiny hair-like structures called cilia to move around and gather food. They consume bacteria, algae, and even other smaller microorganisms. It's a small-scale feast happening right under our noses. Reproduction is another fascinating aspect. Many of these organisms, such as amoebas, reproduce by simply splitting into two. Yes, you heard it right. They just divide and multiply, ensuring their survival. When it comes to protection, these microbeings are not defenseless. Some have hard shells, while others can change their shape to escape predators. It's a microscopic game of hide-and-seek. Despite their size, these microscopic marvels have evolved sophisticated survival strategies that are nothing short of remarkable. Why does exploring this tiny world matter to us, giants in comparison? Well, there's a multitude of reasons. These microscopic marvels play pivotal roles in our ecosystem. They break down organic matter, recycling nutrients back into the environment. They are also a crucial part of the food chain, serving as a food source for larger organisms. But there's more. Their impact extends to human health too. Some of these organisms can cause diseases, while others can be beneficial, aiding in digestion or producing vitamins. Understanding these tiny life forms can help us combat illnesses and promote health. But that's not all. The study of these organisms is opening up new frontiers in science. It's leading to significant discoveries and advancements, from new antibiotics to biofuels. These tiny organisms are also helping us understand the origins of life itself. So next time when you look at a drop of water, remember, it's not just water, it's a universe teeming with life waiting to be explored.